Hey everybody, Bill Jr. here. I am reaching out today because, hey, we have a really major weather event coming through our area. And I want to just let everyone know what's going on. And if you're affected, what you can do as it pertains to leaks coming into your office or home. So, if we really do get the ice that they're saying, along with the thaw freeze effect over the next two ensuing days with the rain, it's got a potential to cause some really serious issues for both homes and businesses. You can have frozen tree limbs falling down, puncturing due to the icing, the rain, then the ice, and then the thaw and the freeze. It can rupture low slope roofing and siding, a lot of wall joints. It's a real recipe for disaster. So number one, please know we're here to help. We have a service team, fully staffed, ready to get out there, ready to help you. So if you spring an issue, or if a loved one, a friend, springs an issue, best thing you can do is get a hold of us. Okay. Now it is really important to remember while the weather event is occurring, there's nothing you can do. So the best thing you can do at home or in the office, simply get a bucket, something to contain the water as it's dripping in. Okay. It is unsafe to get on the roof in those conditions. So we just want to mitigate the inside damage as much as possible. As soon as the weather event ends, though, we're going to be able to get up on that roof and in real time be doing emergency temporary repairs. And we can do that for homes and we can do that for businesses. So really, really important to understand that while it's happening, the best thing you can do is contain it. If it's a leak in your attic space, by all means, put a fan up there, do something just to keep the air moving so you don't have any mold or things like that build up in there. And then immediately reach out to us. Remember, if you're a kangaccr Club member, you go right to the front of the line, right? That's one of the big benefits is when these weather events happen. If you're a kangaccr Club member, you go right to the front of the line and you get priority dispatch. After that, we're going to help all of our existing clients. And then the next up is anybody new, anyone who's new to Kanga, we want to help them as well. So just biggest thing to everyone, be safe. If you do have an issue, please contact us. We can dispatch out an emergency repair teams with tarps to get you dry and be safe. So again, take care, everybody. Please remember, if you spring a leak, a loved one, a friend, you see somebody on Facebook, refer us out. We're happy to help them. If it's ultimately a new roof, good news is if you referred them, we send you the $200 thank you gift card. So I hope you all stay safe, and we look forward to hopping to it real soon for you.